Hi, I'm Shannon Gunderson, a registered nurse here at All About Me Medical Day Spa. We're a full-service medical spa offering all sorts of lasers for any skin issues you may have, including Fraxel and laser hair removal. We have acupuncture, massage, facials, and sunless tanning. We specialize in treatments for both men, women, and teenagers. Here at All About Me, it's all about you. We're looking forward to seeing you soon.